Hello guys, welcome back to my channel to watch another video. I'm so excited guys, I have a vintage video for you. Yeah, it's been interesting to see the saddle bag come back, isn't it? The Christian Dior saddle bag. When I was much younger, I used to see that bag quite a lot, and now it's come back again. So that's why fashion just keeps going around in circles, and I just had to get my hands on one just to see what it's like. And then yeah, I was able to get a nice one on eBay for a fraction of the price. The new ones now are going for about £4,000, and I was able to get my own just for about 1% of that. So I'm happy, yeah, and it's a genuine one as well. So I'm going to show it to you now. So drum roll, drum roll. That is my saddle bag. I got this off eBay. The lady that owned it said she'd never used it before because it was rather girlish. It was too girly for her, and her husband bought it for her 10 years ago, and she never really used it. And yeah, I bid for it, and I was able to win the bid. So that's it. It's quite girly, isn't it? I like it though, because I love my flowers. But I might actually give this out, I don't know yet. But yeah, and it's a real genuine one. I'll just show you what it looks like inside. I've also got the paper, I've got the authentication card and the care card which she sent. So I'll just show you what it's like inside. It's got the Christian Dior thing, and it's got the pink interior, and it's got these lovely flowers. The only part I don't know if the camera is picking up is it's just a bit discolored around the bottom here and also at the back, but it's actually in pristine condition. It looks really new. I can't believe when she said she hardly ever, she said she didn't use it at all. Well, even if she used it a little bit. It's also got the Dior gold stones there. So it's a quite pretty one, which I would probably use for occasions, you know, because of the color. So it's not an everyday one, but yeah, I like it. I click it, and it's got the Velcro in the front, and that's the D, the Christian Dior, and here as well. Yeah, it's a lovely bag. So that's my new collection, my vintage bags. I actually like vintage bags that are maybe almost new. This is my first one really. I've never ever bought any vintage pre-loved bag before, but I mean, I'm not going to be spending £4,000, £2,000 on a bag. So yeah, this one is a lovely one. And then once in a while you can get something nice on eBay, but you just have to be sure. But because I've sold on eBay before, I really know how to know what is right and what isn't. I've sold makeup on eBay, so I actually know the tricks, know when something is genuine or not. I could do a video on that if you want to. This bag used to be very popular in the early 2000s, and then yeah, I'll insert some pictures of different types, you know. And recently it came back, but the new one is slightly bigger than this, and then there are different types, so many different types. I'll insert the pictures. But yeah, it's a lovely bag, very easy, very simple, very easy to carry. I'll probably carry it to the crook of my arm this way. Yeah, probably this way, or maybe like that. But anyway, I'm going to do some styling videos to let you see how I style it. Yeah, I'm going to be doing a few more vintage. If I get my hands on vintage bags that are cheap, I'll let you know that. Further, that some of the pre-loved ones or pre-owned ones on some of the sites that sell authenticated genuine second-hand bags that have been used before but are still in very good condition. I found out they're quite expensive as well, almost the same price as the new ones. Some are even more expensive. So I don't know why it works that way anyway. So yeah, my first time buying on eBay, I got a new one, so I'm quite excited about it. So yeah, that's it. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, please share my videos, please keep in touch. And yes, YouTube takes you away now if you don't interact with a video for a long time, so make sure you keep in touch and comment on my videos, watch, and also show me some love. So guys, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.